If you guys know how much of a pain in the ass it is to change the wiper blades on your BMW, you know what I'm talking about. Stay with me in this video. I'll show you a tip and a trick that you're not going to want to forget. You're going to want to save, and I'll show you how easy it is to get your wiper blades changed in less than 5 minutes, and you can do it all by yourself. Let's get at it. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Deanin It Yourself. If it's your first time here, welcome. To all my long-time subscribers, welcome back. A friend of mine asked me to help him change his wiper blades because he didn't know how to do it, and I thought, hey, you know, that's probably a good video for me to show you guys exactly how it is that you can change your wiper blades if you have one of these older style BMWs around, or actually on the new style BMWs as well. If you guys know the issue that these BMWs have, the wiper blades are a little bit hidden low, so if you try to fold them back like you would your standard wiper blade, they'll hit on the hood, and it makes it a pain to try and actually replace these wiper blades. Now, I know you're thinking, hey, this is a European thing, it's kind of weird, why did they make it so difficult? But there's actually a trick that you need to do to put your wiper blades in service mode, and they'll work just fine, and you'll be able to change them easy, even easier than your standard wiper blades. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean. The first thing you want to do is you want to go out and get yourself a pair of wiper blades. If you don't know what size wiper blades you need, you can always go to your auto parts store or look it up on Google, tell them the model car you have, and they'll tell you the exact blades that you need. Now, I'm using a set of Michelin blades on mine. If you guys want to use the same one, I'll leave a link in the description, as well as some other ones that I use like Bosch or Rain-X. It's your preference, it's up to you. I'll just leave a link so you guys can find a place where you guys can buy them. Now listen, let's get at it. Let's change these wiper blades so you guys can get back to your day. This is what I'm talking about. If you try to open your wiper blades, you can see that it hits right here, and you don't have any access to change your wiper blades. All right, first things first, you want to get into your car, and you want to go ahead and press on the ignition. Don't start your car, just press on it to turn it on, and then press it again to turn it off. After that, you want to hold your lever for your wiper blades, hold it up for like 3 seconds, and your wiper blades are going to fall into position, and they're going to be in the upright position. Now with that, we can jump outside, and I'll show you guys how easy it is to change them. Now with your wiper blades in the upright position, all you need to do now is tilt them up. Now you have them like this, it's simple. You just turn them 90 degrees and you slide it towards you. There's a pin here that locks into your wiper blade, and that's all that's holding it in place, along with this little bar right here that latches onto your wiper blades. Now comes the easy part. Get your new wiper blade, and now you just want to line it up, slide it back through the hole, turn it till it locks in place, and that's it. And all you need to do is repeat it on the other side for the other blade. Slide it in, and it should lock into place just like that. Once your wiper blades are installed, just fold it back down. Once you're back in your car, just go ahead, turn on the ignition, and then press down on your windshield wiper switch. And that's it. Your blades are in position, and now your wiper blades are changed. All right, so guys, welcome back. That was pretty easy, right? I know you guys thought that it was complicated, and if you've had a hard time doing it, now you won't have to worry about it ever again. As long as you save this video, share it with your friends, spread the word. This is going to affect a lot of BMW drivers and people who own BMWs, and I'm sure they get frustrated all the time, and you know, you don't want to have to go to a store or go to the dealer, have them charge you some ridiculous amounts of money just to change your wiper blades. It's something that you can do by yourself, definitely in under 5 minutes, and once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to tell all your friends and go around and showing them, hey, I can show you this cool trick on your BMW to change your wiper blades. All right, if you guys enjoyed the content, don't forget, hit that like, subscribe button, share it with your friends, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.